In this video, I'm going to be telling you about something called Focused Assist. Do you ever get distracted by notifications, whether on your phone or on your computer? When you're on your computer and you're working on a school assignment, notifications can derail you. That means they can take your focus completely off the assignment that you're working on and shift it to something that is not productive at all. Now, the great thing is that there is something on any Windows device that allows you to control the impact of notifications on you. So we go here to the lower right-hand corner of the screen, and we see that I do, in fact, have one new notification. We click on that, and we see here that there's something called Focus Assist. It says your notifications will remain quiet here in Action Center while you're in full screen mode. So a little bit ago, I was in full screen mode. It kicked into Focus Assist. All right. Now here, you have the ability to impact what you're notified about. So there's this icon down here with a moon that says Focus Assist. That's what we want to click on. And you can click on it and you can click through, and if it is off, if Focus Assist is off, you're going to get all notifications. You can change it to priority only, but then you have to go in and set the priority for how to do that. And then there's the ability to have alarms only. So if you have alarms set on your computer, that is the only thing you'll be notified about. So those are kind of your options with that. We can also click on this Change Focus Assist button, and we go into Settings. And now the thing is, when it says that Focus Assist is off, that doesn't mean notifications are off. That means notifications are on. You're going to get distracted. Okay. What you probably want to do is if you were focused on work and you don't want to be distracted at all and you don't want to see any notifications, I would recommend you click Alarms Only. All right, so I've clicked Alarms Only. If I get an email, it's not going to tell me about that. Anything that would pop up on my screen, a new YouTube video, anything that is going to get me off track is now going to not notify me. All right, so we've got that set. We've also got some other options down here. You can set that there'll be no notifications. For example, when you're sleeping, you could do that, where you could set this. If we click during these times, you can set it if you have this on. Let's say you're going to be working on an assignment from 1:45 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. Okay, so you could put in that time, and as long as this is set to on, it would not interrupt you during that time. If there's a certain study time you have every day, and you set from 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock p.m., I don't want to be distracted. I just want to get my work done. If you have this on, it would keep you from being interrupted during that time. All right. So I've set it to alarms only. Now, if you have FOMO, the fear of missing out, the great thing is you can click on this Action Center, and it says no new notifications. But when you click on this Action Center, even though it's not going to pop up and interrupt you, you can go back and look at what you missed during that 2 hours when you were working on an assignment. So this is a great tool to help you focus and help you not get distracted when you're working on an assignment.